my brush in a box of paints and drew a jar. It's sweet honey inside, taste wonderful. The mouth is tied with paper, the knot is pulled with thread. Looking at the picture, my tongue is licking. Will I eat it or just sit? Oh, my honey jar, only the picture is made of paper. There is no sweet smell. Son, all you give the melody, sweetening it a little. Let this sweet taste of paper spread in everyone's house. Real honey is eaten by ants. My jar is safe, glittery in watercolor. This is the artist's praise. Finding a spoon to eat is completely wrong. I will fill my heart with pictures. I am Mr. Cool. Oh, my honey jar, just a picture of paper. There is no sweet smell. Soon all you give the two, sweeten it a little. Let this sweet taste of paper spread in everyone's house. The paper's face is tied, half of the honey jar. It's not real honey, brother. I find peace just by looking at the picture.